Hello guys, and welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel, Naija News and Entertainment. Nagging David at it again. David has resumed his nagging profession this morning. Many of the Ultimate Love viewers have wondered how Presh Talker has been able to cope with him all this while. He spent almost 2 hours arguing about why Presh decided to go to the courtyard for fresh air while leaving him in the room. As much as she might be wrong, she has apologized, but David will not just stop nagging. He kept whining and talking and complaining. This guy is so boring and can make someone go nuts. We needed to see how Presh was looking at him throughout the conversation. Presh, this your cross is heavy. God will help you carry it. Alright, still on the Ultimate Love show. David Wilson turns Black Jesus on Ultimate Love. David turns Black Jesus on Ultimate Love show. He said so himself. David has declared himself Black Jesus. David, while chatting with Chris and Presh Talker at the courtyard, said he is Black Jesus and he now has disciples. Please, where did he get that name from? And is it because he is black in complexion? If that justifies the black in the name, please, where did he get Jesus from? The interesting one is who his disciples are. I know Presh can be in the group, but who else? David will not kill somebody. Black Jesus for real, are you serious? He might just be leaving the Ultimate Love show with disciples, while others will be going with his spouse. What do you think about this, guys? Share your thoughts in the comment section. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get